Hello, my name is Brooke Zellweger, one of your peers in ATM 101 Weather and Climate of Alaska. In this Unit 3, I reported my weather observations from Fairbanks, Alaska. Fairbanks is located in the Tanana Valley in the interior of Alaska with the beautiful Alaska Range to the south. The location of my weather station is to the east of the University of Alaska Fairbanks campus. This is where the campus is located for those of you who are unfamiliar. And my weather observation station is less than 1 mile from the campus to the east. The observations were made at 5 p.m. starting from January 24th through January 29th. The maximum and minimum temperatures during this week are higher than normal as compared to the long-term average high and average low temperatures for January, and the average temperature for this week is about 8 degrees Fahrenheit. At the beginning of the week, the temperature is around -10 degrees Fahrenheit and continuously increases until peaking towards the mid-end of the week on January 28th at just above 20 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a slight decrease on the next and final day of my observations to around 14.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum temperature is starting from 2.8 degrees Fahrenheit on the first day and steadily increasing throughout the week with an increase of about 5 to 6 degrees each day, except on the last day with only a 2-degree increase, which ended the week with a maximum temperature of 22.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum temperature of this week started at -13 degrees Fahrenheit on January 24th and again steadily increased throughout the week. The first few days had an increase of 7 to 8 degrees each day, with the last few days only having an increase of 3 to 4 degrees, which ended the week with a minimum temperature of 9 degrees Fahrenheit on January 28th. Our barometric pressure started at 1,000 millibars on the first day and continuously decreased the next 3 days to 993 millibars, 990 millibars, and 983 millibars before evening out on the last day to again 983 millibars on January 28th. This is my last weather observation worksheet for this week, which was done on January 29th at 1 p.m. The left digital thermometer read a current temperature of 22.3 degrees Fahrenheit with a maximum temperature of 23 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum temperature of 22.1 degrees Fahrenheit. The right digital thermometer read a current temperature of 22.7 degrees Fahrenheit with a maximum temperature of 23.1 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum temperature of 22.0 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure was 29.4 millimeters of mercury, or 997 millibars. The wind speed measured a 1 on the Beaufort scale with the slightest of breeze coming from 210 degrees southwest. The clouds seem to be covering about half the sky from the view of my location and appear to be stratus and nimbostratus in nature with some fog. It did snow earlier this morning around 11 a.m., so I figured that had something to do with the type of clouds that were in the sky from my viewing time. Again, here are the maximum temperatures that were recorded on my digital thermometer throughout the week. And this concludes my week of weather observations from January 24th through the 29th. Thank you for listening.